How to change playback speed on TikTok. Hey everyone, want to change the playback speed of a TikTok video? Whether you want to speed things up or slow them down, I've got 2 easy ways to do it. Let's dive in. First, let's pull up a TikTok video. There are 2 ways to adjust the playback speed. Long press on the video. The first method is super simple. Just long press on the video and you'll see a menu pop up. Select playback speed. Look for the option that says playback speed. Tap on that and you can choose how fast or slow you want the video to play. Let's select 2x for double speed. And there you go, the video is now playing faster, using the 3 dots menu. If you prefer a different method, you can also tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Scroll to playback speed. Then scroll through the options until you find playback speed again. Adjust playback speed. Just like before, you can choose to speed it up or slow it down. Pick your preference and you're all set. And that's it. You now know how to change the playback speed on TikTok videos with 2 easy methods. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling. Stay tuned for more tips to enhance your TikTok experience.